Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you when you should use the Max Plus section and when you should do the quiet mode, the comparison of these two modes. And there we have the Dream D10 Plus vacuum. So use the Max Plus section mode for heavily soiled areas, carpets, or when you need to clean very hard any floor. The quiet mode is best for a light, fast cleaning, hard floors, or when you prioritize the noise reduction. Remember, on the Suction Plus mode, your battery gonna be drained very fast. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.